What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn. And in today's episode, I will teach you how to recover your access to your account on Ubisoft. So this one is pretty easy. Just need to follow my steps, and you pretty much can do it. So first of all, I just need to log out my account first, and just click this icon right here in the top right corner, and it will redirect you to this window. You need to log in your account. So one way to avoid losing your account on Ubisoft is to link your account with each of this platform right here. So if you cannot do that, what you can do is to click forgot password right here, and you will need to provide your email address that you use and click submit. Then after that, a change password link will be sent to your email address. So just go to your email app. So me, I'm just using Gmail. So after you go to your email app, in your inbox, there will be a change password link. So just click this button right here. And after that, it will redirect you to this Ubisoft page right here where you can change your password. So just make sure that you follow the password rule right here. So it must be 8 to 16 characters long. That's it. Just follow it. If you're done changing your password, just click change, and that's it. That's how you update your password on Ubisoft. Also, that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.